In the 2 years since I last visited Black River and Western, the number plate on the front of engine 60 has been changed from black and silver to red and gold. And the diamond around her number has been changed as well.
He could tell you all that. I know what I learned from him.
My father used to chase this engine and number 148 that used to run Black River and Western with her.
Hey, fine.
I didn't start railfanning number 60 myself until 2021. Following the railroad on social media, I woke up the morning of April 16, 2023 with a reminder that they'd added a second train to the Black River Limited, and right away I knew what I'd be doing that Sunday. The day's excursions began in Ringoes, riding to Flemington and back. The train consisted of an Erie caboose and 2 coaches. While I don't personally have any further details, it seems that the plan after this run is to overhaul the steam engine for some kind of long-term maintenance. It's possible that this was number 60's last run for a while, possibly several years. I encourage viewers to follow Black River and Western online for more details regarding her downtime and any other excursions coming up using other locomotives while the steam engine is being serviced. Because I know people don't often watch my videos in their entirety, I've included the runaround of number 60 passing her train in Flemington for the return trip. My eventual plan is to composite a video of Super 8 film from the 1970s and digital video I've taken in recent years. This NJ road trip will include additional parts where I show more of the Ringoes station and museum as well as video taken during my ride. Stay tuned to this channel as well as my Super 8 film Railroad Vault for more modern and historic videos of places, events, and locomotives in the Northeast. Thanks for watching.